Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Aeromexico application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the book button down below indicated with this plane icon. Select the type of trip at the top, one-way, round trip or multi-city. After that, click on the origin box where you would like to fly from. It means that you should select your departure point. As you can see, it needs a few seconds till it loads, and then you will be able to type in your departure point. It might take a few seconds, and after that you can also type in your destination into the second bar, and then you should select your departure date and return date on the map, and then click on the search flight button down below, and then you will be able to select from the available flights and the available tickets. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.